Hello, this is Minter Chen. I'm your professor for the Management 307, the Management Organization. I'm a professor of Management Information System at California State University, Channel Island. And I've taught this course before, but in the face-to-face session, not through the online modality. And so this is the first time I'm delivering this online, and any comment and feedback will be welcome. And at CI, the online course is defined as asynchronous, which means the only way I can communicate with you is by recorded video lecture, certainly by email. I will post most of my teaching material on Canvas, and then I will set up discussion forum for you to interact with me and interact with each other. And the summer course is very short, so we're limited in terms of what we can do. And in the following, I will go over the syllabus and go over the structures of the online material that I put together on Canvas. And the online material on Canvas will be rolling out gradually, so you're not going to see the full-blown version of it, but I'm going to go over in terms of how the material will be laid out on Canvas. So I hope you enjoyed this management course. It's an important course for you to learn about the basic management skill. So stay tuned. More are coming. Thank you. Let's go over the syllabus for the course. On the Management 307, the Management Organization, basic covered various framework, model, and principle of management. And this is a summer term, the first summer term, which run from May 28th to July 2019. And since it's an online course, we don't have the traditional office hour. You can communicate with me by email, and if necessary, we can set up a Zoom conferencing call. And the course descriptions listed here. Basically, we'll cover the basic concept of management, history of management theory, thoughts, and discussed organizational culture, design, decision making, communication, and strategic management, etc. And the most important thing is hopefully we will figure out a way such that you would try to apply what you learn in the real world. That's the only way you will learn about management and to develop your managerial skill. And we're actually in this course and any other course, we will try to enhance and achieve the 5 program learning goal, which is critical thinking, oral communication, written communication, collaboration, and conduct. Conduct means ethics, business ethics. And the last, not the least, is the competence in management in this case. And management is considered a skill set that you can acquire. And hopefully this course can in some way help you to achieve that. The objective of this course is to cover fundamentals of management from a local and global perspective. And we would try to ask you to conduct a case or two in terms of analyze business case from the management and organizational behaviors viewpoint. And also, hopefully you will develop the skill to develop strategy for an organization, and also develop your problem-solving skill in terms of identify, conceptualize, and develop solution when you face a problem in the organizational context. And the textbooks is a free one. This is a link which linking to the textbook. We will kind of go over that website a little bit for you later. And there are some additional online resources. One is Linking's Learning, which used to call link.com at my CI, has quite a bit of videos, training programs, courses related to management. And also the library's online database and have journal article that's related to management. And particularly, we will use Harvard Business Review's article in cases in this course. I will show you how to get access to those material down the road. The schedule, we're kind of laid out the course in terms of units, and totally they are 10 units. And each unit may have 1 or 2 topics, and each unit runs for about 3 or 4 days. And the third column here laid out the chapters from the textbook that corresponding to the topic that's covered in each of the unit. So we'll cover principle management, management history, discuss the personality and attitude related to the issue, and also very important topic is how you motivate employee. And unit 3 actually discussed what do we mean by mission, vision, and the core value of a company, and how you would set goals for an organization. And unit 4 is about business strategy. Once you have your mission and vision, you need strategy in terms to achieve your mission and vision. Number 5 is about how do we structure an organization and how we manage necessary change within the organization. Unit 6 is about leaderships and how do you lead people in the context of organization. Number 7, or unit 7 is about manage teams or group. Unit 8 is about the development of organizational cultures, and which is less visible, but probably more important than anything else. Number 9 is a little bit more technical side of how do you make a managerial decision, and also how you plan or how you develop plan. Unit 10 will cover the communication in the context of organization, and if time allows, we will cover a little bit of the management of human resource, which is really the last chapter from the textbook. There will be 2 exams, midterm exam, and then the final exam. The format and the coverage of the exam will be announced down the road. The grading for the course is really based on individual assignments and your participation in various class discussions and other assignment. And midterm and finals each will count for about 35%. I'm using a point system, so together you will be do various things, including the exam, the assignment, and class participation. It all adds up to 100 points. This is the grading scale, which is pretty standard. And since it's an online asynchronous course, so we're not holding like a virtual classroom that you all have to attend by certain times. So all the lectures are delivered by video, which I will post it on YouTube. And the link will be available through the various module on Canvas. And additional reading assignment other than textbook chapter will be assigned, and which will be also posted on Canvas. Attendance for online class, basically you need to just watch the video and do the necessary assignment as asked, and that will be counted as your attendance. And basically In terms of exam, you should focus on my lectures, the lecture slide, and also the book chapter that you were asked to read, as well as additional reading. And the rest are similar information regarding any courses, so I'm not going to spend time on that. And for online course, here's are some online guideline, course related guideline. Please read it and let me know if you have any further question. Okay, this is all about the course syllabus. Thank you.